Welcome to 1736 and 1738 Christian Light Road in Fuquay Varina. This beautiful equestrian farm with 2 dwellings, storage barn, pond, creeks, is ready for a new family and sits on 57 acres. Driving in the private entry, you are greeted with fenced pastures, rolling topography, and scenic views. The stocked pond is ready for family fun, and there are creeks that border the property with scenic riding trails. The 6-stall horse barn has a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment upstairs and has great views of the grounds. The barn offers hot and cold water and walkouts to paddocks and outdoor riding arena. The apartment's kitchen, family room, bedrooms, and other rooms are perfect for a trainer or extended family. The huge storage barn has plenty of room with concrete floor and 2 legs of power, and the shed roof will certainly cover all the farm equipment. Driving up to the main home, this secluded and tranquil setting offers peace and privacy. The grounds are well landscaped, and enjoy the outdoor pool. Coming in the home, the open floor plan offers plenty of natural light. Enjoy warm nights in the great room by the custom rock fireplace. There is a spacious formal dining area and large open kitchen with granite and high-end appliances. Enjoy the first floor spacious master suite with ensuite. And the ensuite features custom tile, a large walk-in shower, and garden tub. There's also an office space, half bath, laundry, and moving upstairs, there's a large bonus room and bonus area with views of the stars and pool, and 2 additional bedrooms and full baths. The lower floor has family fun covered with pool table and bar, working wood stove, workout room, wine cellar, and additional bedroom and full bath. Don't wait for a showing. Call today to schedule a tour. Call Gardner Reynolds or Frank Gombatz today. Legacy Farms and Ranches of North Carolina, a premier marketing platform for farms, ranches, and recreational properties.